Hello, everyone. Welcome to the GSOC Rocket.Chat GSOC Alumni Summit 2023. We're very excited this year. I think as it is common, we'll start up with Rodrigo, our CTO, sharing a bit. Okay, and our CEO will need 5 more minutes. Just going a bit through what's gonna happen. We're gonna have like there is going to be a break. It's in, let's say, 1 hour, where we have the opportunity for networking and to get our coffees and then get everything back so we can come for the second half of the event. So it's going to be 3 sessions or 4 sessions, actually, a break, another 3 or 4, and then our final notes, Q&A and final notes. We can start with our introduction with Singh and Rodrigo. If you please may join the stage.
Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, first of all, I want to thank you, Singh, Doug, Devanshu, and maybe Debdut, everyone that was involved on the organization of the GSOC this year. And that's, I know how hard it is to organize everything, getting everything right. So thank you guys for that. And of course, I want to thank you, all the contributors this year. We have an unprecedented participation. That's really amazing. We haven't ever seen anything like that on our 7 years in the GSOC. So the engagement, it is amazing. We have people working with us since January this year. So thank you very much for the support and participation on the GSOC this year. That's incredible. And I have some numbers that I have here in my notes, and we have almost 800 new community members onboarding on GSOC channel this year, and that's really awesome. We have people helping each other to craft proposals. That's really important for the proposal of the project, and contributors who have really amazing projects with more participation and complete features and big ideas that will help a bunch of our community users and the project itself. I want to thank for the 320 of the contributors that signed for our contributors leadership leaderboard. We have 8 merged pull requests. That's a big number of pull requests merged, and 7 open still that we are still need to merge and evaluate and merge, and 174 issues that you have raised. That all those are really big numbers and that we never saw before. So need to thank you again for all the work you have been done during those months, and even more because we're still having many days before the proposal submission deadline, and we have already received over 33 proposals for the 30 active projects we have. So again, big numbers this year, and really excited to see how things will be evolving on Google Summer of Code this year. And I'm personally really glad to see the GSOC getting more and more involvement year over year in the Rocket.Chat project. And count on me if you need help or if you want to talk to me, let me know. That's great to see a huge community growing on the project.
That's great. Thank you, Rodrigo. And yeah, this year is just banner. like we really need to kind of thank Google for like running this program for the past 18 years, which is maybe even older than some of the contributors this year. And every year they've been introducing new developer to the wonderful world of open source, and that's like for the last 2 decades already. 2023, that's this year, is like the 7th consecutive years that Rocket.Chat has been a mentoring organization, and we are more excited than ever to take on this role. And now we have Gabriel. Let me just get it.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Sorry, my wife is traveling, so I having to take care of the kids in the morning, break breakfast and everything. So just a few words about GSOC, right? What it meant for us all this time, and I think big thank you for everybody, because I think GSOC, since the first time that Singly introduced us to the program and pitched us like, look, we should participate. That's going to be like something really cool. And at that time, we were able to even join and go to a physical summit before the pandemic, where you're getting everybody together. It really left a mark on us, and it meant it was one of the pinnacles of showing what open source really is. It was one of those situations where you see that is a win-win situation for everybody involved in one of the best ways possible. The project would get as a Rocket.Chat, was amazing to get this infusion of ideas, projects, very talented students wanting to participate, wanting to learn, wanting to build something different, to be part of something big. That was like very important, both for the project to evolve, but for us to also get some fresh ideas, and sometimes even higher talent from this collaboration, or even be able to recommend talent to some partners. Like a lot of people from GSOC sometimes end up working in some of our clients, our customers, helping them deploy Rocket.Chat. And also then for the students, like the feedback that we always got was that it was a very open community, people willing to help, some that they learn a lot about working remote, working with Node.js, with Meteor, with MongoDB, and then they were able to feel fulfilled that they built something meaningful that was like becoming part of a big project, that they made friends along the way. I think the mentors, some of them even became mentors as well in later projects. And for the mentors, I think was also me as a mentor, very fulfilling to be able to see how we helped people to learn and see the projects getting to conclusion. So it was one of those situations that everybody involved gets something more than they put in, and the sum of the parts becomes something great. And also a lot of people learn how to work remote, how to work in a distributed team, how to have ownership about what they're doing, about finishing their projects or reporting. So it's really a good experience on how a distributed organization, a modern distributed workplace now is. So I think more than just coding, there's a whole learning about the dynamics and relationships and ownership and reporting and participation on distributed projects that is definitely more and more relevant for the world that we are now. And that's why every year we keep trying to participate and open this space for GSOC students to participate on the program, because it was always a very rewarding endeavor. And I will love to say thanks for everybody that participated. Thanks for everybody that joined as mentors, as students. I think you made everything great. Thanks for Singly to always like pitching and raising the flag and being so passionate about GSOC. And thanks for now that dude and everybody that's helping this year and the previous years, Douglas from our team as well, and all the other mentors. And so good to see you around. Good to see that you are still, like, a lot of guys still members of the family that you became Rocketeers, and this is very rewarding indeed. So yeah, thank you so much.
There you go. Thank you,
Thanks,
Gabriel.
guys. See you, everybody.
Thank you, Rodrigo. Well, Rodrigo already left, but thank you anyways, and Singly for this starting session. Next up, starting our alumni sessions, Murtaza is going to join us and to talk about tips for creating a winning proposal